How do you know if your door is not balanced? A properly balanced door, you're going to be able to raise it up, and it should balance every 2 feet. It should stay in the door position every 2 feet. So every 2 feet you raise that door up, it should balance and stay in that position. Okay? If it's out of balance, what happens if you notice that if you got it up 2 feet and it drops? Sometimes if you have windows in a door, it will drop because there's different, the weight is on the top of the door. So that's not a problem. Okay? Is when you got a door that don't balance halfway. Okay, if you put the door up right in the center and it balances, you're probably good to go. Okay? Doors with and without windows, they balance differently. So that's something you gotta watch. Someone will say, well, it should balance every 2 feet. It can balance every 2 feet after you get it off the ground 2 feet. It should balance after that 2 feet, if you have windows. But if you don't have windows, you rise it up 2 feet and it should stay there.